In this video, we're going to look at division word problems and that have a remainder, and what are we going to do with that remainder? So the first one is sometimes we need to add 1 to the quotient to represent the remainder. So let's look at this problem. The Bears soccer team is going to their playoff game. There are 36 players and coaches going. Each van can hold 8 people. How many vans will the team need? So in this problem, it's about a soccer team going to a playoff game, and they need to put people inside of vans. The important information here is that we have 36 players and 8 people can fit in each van. Now the question here is the most important part when we need to interpret the remainder. The question here is how many vans will the team need? So I'm going to draw a picture of the vans. So I have 1 van. I'm not a very good artist. I'm just going to draw a box. And I'll have 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people. And I'm going to count up all the way until I get to 36. Let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So what I was doing here was I was dividing the players into the vans. So the equation I just did was 36. I need to check and see how many equal groups that I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. Those groups are equal, but this one only has 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So that would be 4 with a remainder of 4. But our answer is not going to be 4 with a remainder of 4, because it would be 4 vans with 4 people left over, is what this remainder of 4 represents. But we need to make sure that everybody goes, because every soccer player is important. So our answer is not 4, remainder of 4, but we actually have to add 1 so that these 4 people get a van. So we're going to do 4 plus 1 equals 5. Our answer is they will need 5 vans. And we can see that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vans. So that is the first type of word problem we might see when we have to add 1. The next type of word problem we might see is when the remainder is the answer, like this one. Izzy is making beaded bracelets. She has 32 beads. She will make 6 bracelets. How many beads will she have left over? So this problem is about Izzy, who's making bracelets. She has 32 beads, and she wants to make 6 bracelets. So to solve this problem, I know I need to divide because I have a total, and I have an equal group. So I'm going to have a total divided by equal groups. So our total is 32 divided by 6 equals. For this problem, I'm going to use an array strategy because it will show the bracelets. 1, 2, I'm actually going to put them this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of these is a bracelet. And I'm going to count up until I get to 32. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, so now I can look at this, and I had 32 divided by 6 equals how many equal groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have 2 left over, or a remainder of 2. So for this question, I need to interpret how many beads will she have left over. So these are all going to be bracelets, each one. She's using these for bracelets. But this one, she can't make a whole bracelet out of it because she only has 2. So our answer is she will have 2, and then I gotta find my label. How many beads? 2 beads left over. The last type of word problem is when you just have to ignore the remainder. So in this problem we have Carlos, and he has $43. He went to Barnes & Noble to buy new books. Each book costs $7. How many books can he buy? So for this one, I know I need to divide because I have the total amount of money that he has. This is how much money he has in his wallet. And I know that there's equal groups because he's buying a book, and each one is going to cost $7. Now the thing I need to find out is how many books he'll be able to buy knowing that each book costs $7. So our equation is going to be 43 divided by 7, or 43 divided by 7. So each book I'm going to have a box for a book. This book is $7. And then I'm going to skip count until I get close to 43. This book is $7 or 14. This book is $7 or 7, 14, 21, 28. Another $7. 35. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. All right, so now I have a number that's bigger than 43. So I need to look at this and see if he has $43, how many books is he able to buy? So how many equal groups of 7 do we have without going over 43? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And then you can see how much money he has left over by subtracting. He'll have $1 left over, remainder of 1. But with that $1, is he going to be able to buy a book? No, because our books cost $7. So our answer to how many books can he can buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He can buy 6